if you would love to learn how to make rows using crinoline, then this tutorial is for you and you should watch to the end. The materials we'll be needing for this particular tutorial video is needle, fishing line, measuring tape, huyu gum and crinoline. So I'm going to be measuring the crinoline and I'm going to measure out 17 inches. You can use 15 for this particular rows and you can use 16, but I'm going to be using 17. So depending on what you want to achieve, 15 to 17 inches. And then I'm going to remove this thread. There's always one thread at the other part of crinoline, so I'm going to remove it. And then just watch what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to bring this crinoline together like that, and I'm going to apply my huyu. So it seems as if I lost that particular video, so I decided to attach this to explain what I'm saying. So you just apply your huyu gum this way and then bring it together. So just watch whatever I'm doing and you're going to do it for both ends. So this is what we have. The both edges, just like it's very penciled. And then just watch the next thing I'm going to do. You're going to, a simple explanation of what you'll be doing is just basically roll and pleats, roll, pleats, or should I say pleat, roll. Just that's basically what I did here. I'm rolling, that's the beginning. Then look at that thing I did here is pleating. It's just like you're pleating, you pleat like that, as I'm just doing. After pleating like 2 or 3, you roll. Exactly. So that's just what I'm doing. It might look technical, but trust me, you're going to get it. So I'm trying to do it again so you can get it. Just watch what I'm doing. And there you have it, a rose using crinoline. So we are just going to do sewing. I'm going to sew using the needle and fishing line. So here I made 3. You can make as much as you want because this is going to serve as a design on top of a fascinator, a design that will be added to a fascinator. So you can make as much as you want depending on what you want to achieve. You can be creative with it. So here I just made 3 and I'm going to sew them together. Thank you so much for watching, for staying to this point. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so, and give this video a thumbs up if you got value from it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.